try it with me? Ah, 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 ah.
B, b, b. Very good.
Ready? We have ant, apple and ambulance with the same sound. Ah, ah, ah. Very good. Can you try it with me? Very good.
We have ball, bus and bread. B sound. Ready? B, b, b. Very good. Okay, I've thought of 3 words. I'll share them with you now. Ready? Baby, book, bed. Well done. Can you try it with me? Well done.